How to stop sending as a text message on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. You are now in the Messages settings page. From there, you can enable or disable iMessage, customize send and receive options, manage text message forwarding, and adjust notification settings. Here, scroll down to the Send as Text Message option and turn it off. Doing this, you get more control over your experience with the device and enhance ease of use. Following these steps, you can easily stop sending as a text message on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.